Welcome. Today I'll be covering some things you need to do, the right way you need to publish your book on Amazon KDP to avoid the intellectual property issue. All right? There are three reasons that cause this. One is when you use a trademarked word and publish a book. All right, use the trademarked word in your major title or your subtitle. You will get a message from Amazon after some time that they take intellectual property offense serious. Okay, so maybe you use the word for dummies. It's an intellectual property. Somebody have paid for that rules. Okay, for that phrase for dummies. So you don't do that. Number two reason why you may get this kind of message is when you copy some text, some words, some sentences that are available on the internet and use it to publish your book. It's an offense. Amazon take it serious. They want everything to be original. Don't go and steal something that is not yours and use it for them. Number three reason why this happens is when you go to the web and download picture directly from a website and then use it to publish your book on Amazon KDP. You are likely to get this message because you are not the owner of the picture or you did not do editing on it. So that is what I want to figure out today. I want to tell you how to figure out that is the issue of that picture. Okay? So without taking much time, let's just get our PC so that I'll walk you through how to do that. Okay, the first approach you can use to take a picture and use it in your document without it getting blocked is by taking the screenshot of that picture you find on the web. Don't just download it because once you download it, there is a code that is being added by the original owner of that image. And when Amazon scans, it's the bird we dictate it and they will block that book. So let me walk you through practically on how you can use this picture. So I'll open Google Chrome. Okay, so let's say I'm writing a book on hydroponic gardening. Okay, so let me just type the word and I need a picture to show people something in that book inside the manuscript. Okay, so hydroponic gardening. So this has brought some result, but I need image, so I'll click on image. Then let's say this is a sample of fruits of, let's say, food that you can grow through hydroponic. So I will click on this so that the image will show up here. So instead of right clicking and downloading this using the save as, all right, into my PC, I will not do that. What I will do is that I will press the print screen key of my computer keyboard. Okay, this allows me to take screenshot of this. So I will take a screenshot carefully. Okay, then once I cover the part I want to use, I will release the pressure on the left button of my mouse. Okay, sorry. Okay, then this has been taken as screenshot. Then let me get back to my document so that I will tell you how you will add this. Okay, so I'll click here, select Word. Then I'll click on the spot. So I have opened my Word document. I'll click on the spot where I want to add the image, insert, pictures, this device. So I'll get to my screenshot folder because that is where the picture is saved automatically. All right. All right, look at screenshots. Then I'll select this and click on insert. So when I use this picture like this and publish this book, there will be no issue. Okay, when Amazon is reviewing the book, they will not come up and tell me that okay, we dictated we are blocking your book because of intellectual property issue or you used a picture. Sometimes they will not even tell you what's the issue. They'll tell you because you use a content that is not yours and they take intellectual property so serious and so that they take it seriously and they will not allow you to publish that book. They'll block the book. Okay, so when you use it this way, you will not have any problem. All right, another approach you can follow to avoid this issue of intellectual property due to pictures you use on your book is by editing that picture in Canva. Okay? So follow me. Let me walk you through on how you can edit that picture in Canva. So first is to open your web browser. Then you visit canva.com. On visiting canva.com, you will be landed on a page that looks like this. But if you have not been using the program, you'll be required to sign up. Okay, so sign up with your email address and your password. Okay, once you're done, you'll be allowed to start creating. So I want us to create a custom design. Okay, and for you to do that, all you need to do first is to go and get the dimension of that screenshot you took. So I'll click File Explorer and then Screenshot folder. Okay, so I'll click on these ones, right click on it, and then I will select the property option. Okay, look at properties here. So this will give me the dimension of this. So for me to get the dimension of this, I'll click on details. All right, so down here you can see that the dimension width is 477 and height is 266 pixels. So I'll get back to my camera and then I'll select this custom size. Then width is 477 and height is 266. Be conscious of this. You can see pixel is selected already, but let me go and confirm again so that I don't make mistake. Okay, width 477, height 266. All right, good. Okay, all right, so the next step is I will click on create new design. All right, so this page has opened. The next step we need to take right now is to import that our design we want to use, that screenshot. And for you to do that, click on uploads, then select upload files. Then navigate to where that is, screenshots, click on this, open. Okay, so it has been imported here. What I will do is that I will click on it and it's added here. So I can extend this, okay, so that it will fit everywhere. Good. All right. So this has been placed here. So if I download this like this, it becomes mine because I've worked on it. But you may decide to add an effect to it. Okay. So I'll click on it or just a little bit of touch. Okay. You can click on draw once it's selected. Maybe let's select blue. Or you can just have something like this. Beautiful. So this has become yours because I've added this. So it makes the whole picture looks different. Okay, so I'll close this and I can give it a name, my fan pick. Okay. So once you have done this, okay, you can go ahead and download it and it becomes yours. Or you can work further on it. And for you to work further on it again, just click on this first and the picture is selected. Then click on this edit button. So you can see here under filter, you can select any filter. You can see it have added a little bit of some beautiful color on it. And with this, you can download it. It is yours as well. So click on share, click on download, click on download. All right. So wait for it to be downloaded into your PC. All right, it's now in my downloads folder. So I can get back to my manuscript again, remove this, and then insert it. All right, so downloads is in downloads now. My fan pick, insert. So any of these two approach, when you use it to have a picture in your manuscript you want to publish on Amazon KDP, you will not have any issue. It will scout through. Okay. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on self-publishing and tech. So subscribe to learn more. If you are a content creator on YouTube, still subscribe because we give some tips that will make you to be more productive on YouTube, improve and earn more money on the platform. Okay? So Leave a comment in the comment section if you have more questions regarding this or Amazon KDP in general. All right. So leave a question in the comment section. Hit that like button for me so that YouTube will know that this is a valuable content and push it to more people. Don't leave without doing that. Okay. Press that one that points up. Watch this video here to learn how to create A plus content. If you don't know how to do that, because that's one of the ways you can make your book stand out and make your book seen by more eyeballs. Okay, so watch it so that you start creating A plus content in your books. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.